The BJP people are saying that it's manufactured in Buyao's studio. If they wanted and they were realistic on what they are talking, they first would have raided his studio before revealing it to the media. But definitely Mr. X should get security, whatever it is. Because I think not only Mr. X, I think Mr. Parrikar also should, his security should be enhanced actually. Yesterday, I think VIshwajit made a very funny statement. I don't know whether it's a funny statement or a smart statement. He said he has urged AMIT SHAH, the president of BJP, to make the investigation. Now, who is AMIT Shah? AMIT Shah is the president of BJP. He is not a home minister. Now, who has to conduct the investigation? Either it's a prime minister or the home minister Rajnath Singh.
विश्वजितान ऑडिओची चौकशी मागिल्ली खरी, मात 24 वरां जाली तरी गोंय पुलिसाकडेन चौकशे खातीर सीएमओतल्यान कसलेच कम्युनिकेशन ना. चौकशी शेळेली. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आनी ओमकार फळारी.